On December 28, 2024, Air Canada Express Flight 2259, operated by Pole Airlines, departed from St. John's, Newfoundland, bound for Halifax, Nova Scotia. Upon landing at Halifax Stanfield International Airport, the Bombardier Q-400 aircraft experienced a suspected landing gear issue, causing the left main landing gear to collapse. This led to the aircraft tilting to one side and the left wing catching fire. Emergency services responded promptly, and all 73 passengers and crew were safely evacuated without serious injuries. The incident is under investigation by the Transportation Safety Board of Canada to determine the exact cause. This event underscores the critical importance of emergency preparedness and the effectiveness of crew training in ensuring passenger safety during unforeseen circumstances.